Okay, ready? Ready? Jump! 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 What's up everyone, welcome to another video. So my old iPhone was broken in India and I got it replaced and got the new phone to Kaitlyn. I bought a new phone and I was using Kaitlyn's phone, which is like this condition. Look at this. This is how it looks. It's super broken and it's multiple scratches and the battery dies in like 15-20 minutes. Sometimes in 1 hour it will last and then it'll draw. Bruno is right here. Bruno, you wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? So excited. You're so excited. So I ordered iPhone 11 Pro Max. Super expensive. I just ordered it yesterday and it should be arriving anytime. Bruno is gonna help me unbox it, and I thought I'll film this moment and kind of put it up and see how Bruno helps me unbox it. Bruno, you wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? Hi, hi. He just took a nap and he woke up from his nap. On his channel, Bruno J's channel, there's gonna be a lot of videos on his routine and things like that. Who is it, Bruno? What happened? Okay, let's go. Let's go, buddy. He knows that somebody's at home. Dude! There it is. There it is. Let's go. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bruno loves boxes and he loves to chew on it. He's right now feeding, so he loves to chew on it. But we're gonna try to open this box and see his reaction on new phone. This can hurt you. Got it? This can hurt you. No, no. Wait. This can hurt you, baby. Let me open it. There's nothing for you. Alright, here. Wow, look at that. Yeah, no, look at this, not the box. Honey. Yeah, look at that. You wanna sniff it? Yeah, there's a lot of videos are gonna be made from this phone. Ah. Alright. I know you love plastic. Okay, ready? No, don't eat that. I knew that. Of course, you know it comes with a charger right there. And oh, you're eating my headphones. No, honey. Oh, that's the headphones it comes with. Here, that's the phone. This is the phone. This is the phone. This is the phone. This is the phone. Oh no! Don't eat that. No! Don't eat that. No. I'm gonna set this phone up and finally, so for people who were wondering like where am I, and this is very interesting. When something flips off, he tries to figure out how to flip it back on. So I'm gonna set this up. A lot of people were asking me why am I not active, why am I not uploading videos on Instagram and things like that, because I did not have any phone. So now I have a phone. Right, Bruno? Right, Bruno? Right, Bruno? Right, Bruno? Right, Bruno? Don't eat that! 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 Get it! Get it, Bruno! Get it! Get it! Get it! I'm gonna set the iPhone. That's all I wanted to do, unbox the video with my Bruno. If you're not following his channel, I would highly recommend go check out his channel if you're interested in dog stuff. A lot more dog stuff coming up. I'm gonna share my first night experience, first week experience with you, with him. And it's gonna be fun, a lot of fun stuff coming up. Boop, 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 boop. Bruno can see this. Let's see. Let's see. You look like you are bad. Are you? No, that's my phone. Get it, Bruno, get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it, Bruno! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! So lazy! You're so lazy! Get it, Bruno! Get it! Bruno, come here. Right, for people who stayed still so long, I'm going to show you some tricks he does. Okay, ready? Ready? Set. I mean, you're already sitting. Lay down. Good boy. He treats. This is how he works. He needs bribery just like. Okay, ready? Ready? Jump. 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 Good boy. Okay, now he'll do shake. Okay, ready? Come here. Here. Shake. Good boy. Good boy. I love you so much. I love you so much. I love you so much.
He's running away.
He's gonna go drink water now. Until our next one, keep smiling and keep hustling. Keep hustling.